Hello, we will presenting you this air extraction filtering unit developed specifically by Pasolano ventilation systems for its use in nautical works. It can be applied not just to painting works, but also covering sanding, cutting, exhaust fumes, welding works and any type of dusty atmosphere. It is also completely adapted to working in Yates atmospheres. This filtering system allows us to eliminate conventional F7 and F8 filters with an efficiency up to 95% in paint spraying, reducing the maintenance schedule to one operation every 6 months. Now we simulate the painting works of a yacht in a situation of maximum eccentricity. In the exhaust of our filtering unit, we can see the efficiency of our equipment, visually noticing that there is no emission of pollution to the environment. We have this equipment available in 3 sizes, with a flow capacity of 11,000, 22,000 and 44,000 cubic meters per hour, and an available pressure of 150 water column millimeters, allowing for the use of flexible ducts directly up to the working areas, even inside the ship.